Hi everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful design, and it's kind of a new video. This was inspired by Emily Susanah's video of Instagram followers designing her nails, and I decided to do the same. So as you can see, I picked that design and we're starting off with clear tips. And for the very first nail, my friend from Instagram went with a blue color. On top of it, she drew snowflakes. So this is exactly what we're going to be doing since we're designing her idea. After applying the blue color, I'm going to be going in with a matte top coat so we can draw on it easily. And we're going to be starting to design the snowflakes. So drawing snowflakes is such a love of mine. I just love snowflakes so much. They're so cute. And this was such a great idea. I just really love how she went with all of the designs. She must have spent so much time making these, and I just love them. We're doing the exact same thing with the second snowflake. Curing that, and afterwards we're just going to be going in with a non-wipe top coat and just completing and saving the whole design. You can see they turned out so cute. Snowflakes are so cute. Okay, now moving on to the second nail. She had gone with this beautiful color. I think it's very similar to this one, but here I'm only using it as a base because I'm going to be using glitter on top. And I asked her about this, and she said that she wanted it to be a fully glittery kind of look. So I'm just using a top coat, and I'm going in with this gorgeous holographic glitter onto the entire nail. After curing that, we're going to be encapsulating it with another layer of top coat. And then we're going to be grabbing the detailed brush again, detailer brush, and we're going to be drawing the little present design that she did on it, which is such a smart idea. I just love this. Can you guys believe that it's already December? Oh my god, I'm so glad this year is coming to an end. It's been exhausting. And then to finish everything off, another layer of non-wipe top coat. And it's so cute. I love it. Okay, now moving on to the next nail. We're going to be grabbing this beautiful red color by Canny, and we're going to be drawing a little Santa hat design thing onto the nail. And then with the same color, you're just going to be filling in the design. After you cure this, you need to apply a matte top coat. Cure that as well. And then we're going to be using the same method that I showed you for the sweater nail designs that I did a few videos ago. So taking a white polish, you're going to be drawing the little design that you want, and then you're going to be adding some white acrylic on top of it and curing it, and it's going to create a 3D type design on it. And these are just the little details on the Santa hat. I'm going to be doing the exact same for the bottom of the hat. And using the acrylic actually makes it kind of fluffy as well. So it's kind of interesting, like it really feels like the texture on the Santa hat that you would normally have. I'm just adding some more dimension to these, making them a little bit more thick. Curing that again, and as you can see, the matte top coat did not let the acrylic stick onto the red design. And then with just a little bit of gold color, we're just going to be adding some extra designs around the nail. Taking any black polish of your choice, you're going to outline the design. We're gonna flush cure that. And last but not least, we're gonna be adding some top coat along with a little bit of red color onto the little Santa hat. You can of course leave it matte if you wish, but I thought it looked better because the details on it are matte. And here it is, so cute, I love it. And moving on to the next snail. She had chosen such a pretty green color for that, like a Christmas tree color, and I did not have that, so I just mixed a little bit of dark green, white, and yellow together, and I created this like custom color to match the one that she had picked. I applied 2 layers of that, and then a matte top coat, and then we're gonna be going in, and we're gonna be creating those like ribbon type lines that she had on her design, but I wanted to make a little bit more like Christmassy, or if that makes sense, so I just went for a more like sweater type design. I really like this. I think it looks so cute. After that, we're gonna be grabbing the gold color again and just adding some outlines to those details, and it just really looks like a Christmas tree. I just love it so much. It's so cute. I love Christmas. I'm so excited for Christmas. And then with a little bit of just regular non-wipe top coat, we're going to be creating, encapsulating again the design and just protecting it. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. This is such a cute set. For the final nail, I did not once again have a color like the one she chose, so I just mixed a little bit of yellow and some brown to create a color similar to the one that she had chosen. After applying 2 coats, I'm going to be curing them. And we're going to be taking some top coat and creating like ribbon type swirly designs on the nail. As you can see, there's a little bit of a shadow underneath because I had used a gold color to create sort of like an outline of where I want to put the polish afterwards. I added the glitter on top of it, I cured it, and then I just wiped away the excess, and I'm just repeating the same steps. You really just have to freehand this, like there's no particular design that you have to follow. Whatever you like and however you like to add it. As long as it's glittery, it's gonna be perfect. After you're done with the designs, you just need to add top coat to them so the glitter stays in place, and that's all you need to do. So there you guys have it. That's literally all. That's her design coming to life. Thank you so much for submitting this design. I'm gonna leave her Instagram down below. She's an amazing dietitian. You can go follow her. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys stay tuned for another video in a few days. Have a good month. Christmas is so close by. And yeah, I hope everyone is happy and healthy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.